Are your listings not getting the attention they deserve? Let's change that. Meet TidyTex Home Cleaning, where military precision meets home care. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we understand the stakes in real estate. Realtors, you know that first impressions count. Our reliable professional cleaning services ensure your properties stand out, impressing buyers from the moment they walk in. With quick turnarounds, we're here to make your home shine just in time for open houses and showings. Imagine your property sparkling, ready to captivate potential buyers. Plus, here's a tidy tip for you. Enhance your home's appeal with little to no cost by opening all blinds and turning on lights before a showing. A well-lit space makes every room feel inviting and showcases the best features of the home. Ready to elevate your listings? Contact us today. Visit our website at appy.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206. Voice and text available. Let's work together to close those deals faster and make every showing a success. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.